Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff and this is the Beast. The 2021 Ram 3500 with a 6.4 Cummins diesel. It'll pull down a house in low gear. The only problem is, you ever have one of those days where you look in your rearview mirror and you see that little gash in your fender wall and it just pees you off, you want to just break something.
Oh.
There.
You know that was Jeffrey's laptop, right?
Who cares? Why would Jeffries come out here? Why would you do it? You set me up, didn't you?
I didn't. I'm just filming. I just wanted to see you get mad because he made me look like a fool and you look like a fool, so he deserves to be punished.
Making me look like a fool now too, and you're videotaping. Here, give me. But you don't. You got to try to fix it. So I found this company online called TUD, and it's a touch-up paint company. And what you do is you just send your colors to this place, order it online, and it comes to your door. It comes in two applications. It's actually the matching color of the truck, which is the granite crystal metallic. And what you do with that, you put that on the truck first. You got to wipe it down, then you put a layer of this. Wait 15 minutes, another layer of this. 15 minutes, another layer of this. Then after that dries, then you go to the clear coat. Where is that? This is the low VOC clear coat. What VOC means, I have no idea. And they send you these cute little gloves with a puppy. It would have been nice if there was a Labrador on there.
I like bulldogs too.
Right. And we've tried this paint before, once on Terry's car, and I think I did one for my parents' car. It works out. Is it perfect? No. But does it save you a lot of money? Because instead of going to a car dealer or a paint shop and stuff to get it done, you know, this I think was $26, $27. So
where's this gash at, or scratch, or whatever? And you saw this through your mirror?
Actually, it happened, I think, but I can't prove it, the last time I took this truck to the Ram dealer, because I had like the 4th recall. So I took it there, they did the check on it, and they said, oh, okay, everything's fine, you know, you're cleared. But when I come back, I'm pulling through Bridgeton from the dealership, and I pull up to the traffic light, sunlight's hitting the side of the truck, looking in this mirror, and you look down and you can see this thing here, but it didn't dawn on me. I just figured it was a piece of dirt.
Oh.
So when I got home, that's when I seen it. I know it's not that bad, but when you pay 60 grand for a truck.
You know what? I'm wondering though if I'm even going to be. I need you. The sun's right over there.
Oh,
you just
okay.
stand over here.
But see,
I'm wondering if maybe I won't be able to see you putting this on.
Well, you should be able to see me put it on
because of this glare.
Right.
No, I'll see you putting it on, but I won't see the. I don't know if I'll see the effects of it.
Right.
This
well,
is
just
something
get the
that
best
maybe
you can.
Should be done in the garage.
Probably, but it's hard to fit this truck because of the flared fender walls in our garage.
Okay.
So if I back it in, you know, I'll have like minimal inches on each side to get it in. So
well,
it's just,
maybe I'll just do it from the side.
And again, it's very simple. Anybody can do it. So if you got a scratch on your car, even a ding dent where the paint's peeled off a little bit, call this company and try it. I mean, like I said, it's cheap, but all it is you wipe it down and do it fiber-based cloth so it takes everything out. See, it doesn't have a ding or a dent in it, which is good, so you don't have to worry about that, but it's just a scratch. So you try to wipe it down as best as you can. And again, we're going to use the Design granite paint, and they say shake it vigorously.
Okay.
Don't make eyes at me while I do this. That's not nice.
Well, I'm just curious to see.
I'm curious because it's.
So you just have to just go over these scratches because it's the same color paint. Basically.
Right. Basically, you're just hiding this thing and then blend it in. They say just to try to
make a very thin mark.
Yeah. And
because I could imagine if you made it gloppy and it wasn't the exact color, it would like really stand out.
Right. And I don't know how much of a gloppy is a word, but okay. Well. So this is, you know how I baby this truck. It's only got like 9,000 miles on it. We've had it 2 years, so
yeah.
I love this truck. Yeah. John, you have to stand back. So we're gonna try it. And they just give you a little brush, and I just.
So you're just gonna let that.
And I'm just gonna let that sit. Now see?
Yeah, I can see like off of the from the side. It's kind of like,
Right.
and I don't know if they'll see, because all they can see is probably your legs.
Yeah. But if you look at it, it's semi-close, but again, until it dries, I don't know how close it's going to be.
Oh, that's weird.
And when we used this before, it matched up. There was a little difference in the color, but, you know, hopefully it's all good.
So 15 minutes, and then you see what it should be dry, and then you
Yeah, it should
you
be
have
dry,
to do it again.
And then what I'll do is apply another coat, and then we'll see how it is. But look at it right now. At least it took...
Yeah, but like we can see, but I don't know if the people can see.
Yeah, well...
Well, yeah, you know what? Move for a minute. Oh no, you know what?
You
You stand there, because they can see your shirt is the background.
Oh, okay.
If you come a little closer, actually. Yeah, see, you can see the...
I just don't like the... You know how I gotta get anal with this stuff.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get the ridge out. It was bothering me.
Well, you don't sand it or anything?
Doesn't say anything about the instructions. It says apply a little bit amount on the scratch. Wait till it dries. Then come back and apply a little bit more over that part. Let
So
it
what do
dry.
you imagine? Scratch that. I mean, that's...
I have no
a
idea.
Decent scratch, and it's at a high level.
But the only thing I can think of, and I'm not blaming the dealer, because these are a pain. Anytime you got fender walls that stick out 8 feet, and you're in a car dealership, you know, it could be close. Maybe the guy or the gal, whatever, came by and caught it with a tool or something, or maybe, you know, something like that, or a piece of...
Johnny, can you see yourself? Look, you're in... Look, there's another Johnny.
So, yeah, I'm not sure. It could have happened when I turned the corner and a stone come up from the front tire. I don't know. So, but it seemed it was ironic that we were there for the recall. And this is the 4th recall already on this truck. But at least they're taking care of it. So, all right. See you in 15. Hey, we're back for coat 2.
And...
And what?
Well, I was just going to say that I think that when you put that on, like maybe I should have done it, because you're not a very good painter.
I never tested to be a painter. That's why you always paint the rooms in the house, and I just sit back.
I think you had a little too much on it, and I think it's like nail polish. Like you should have, like, just
well, this isn't nail polish. This is a truck.
A very thin coat. Well, I'm just
here.
hoping,
You want to do it?
No, I'm just hoping.
Do it yourself. You can do it yourself.
Jeffrey.
What? I didn't know we were getting a critique here.
Maybe you need to put it on thinner.
So I messed up.
Yeah, that's like...
Well, I knew you were I knew it.
What?
Why? If you wanted to do it, you should have just taken it that time.
No,
It doesn't look bad. It'll be all right. I don't see the scratch. And maybe when the clear coat covers it up, it'll be good.
well, I can see the scratch.
You can see the scratch?
Yeah.
I can't see the scratch, and I got my glasses on. I paid like $600, $500, $600 for these glasses, so I should be able to see it.
Well, as long as you're happy, I mean, it's your truck.
Well, I'm happy. I just don't want the paint exposed, you know, the
I know.
body exposed. That's all, so it doesn't rust.
I know, and you're all about do it yourself.
Right. That's what it is all about. But if you were really excited about it and you wanted to do it, you could have said that.
I wasn't
I'm a painter,
excited about
I paint my toes, I paint my nails, I paint everything, so I could have painted it for you.
I wasn't excited about it, and I didn't have the thought until after I saw you apply it that it should have been just made sure that you just had a little tiny bit on the brush so it would go on a little bit smoother.
Like a gentle flow.
Like a thin coat, you know, not so that it wouldn't be bumpy or...
Well, it's just like when you do spackle for sheetrock. You just got to put the little heavy in the crack, put the tape on, and then feather it out after that. So I'll just, last coat, I'll feather it out a little bit, and then wait 15 minutes, put a coat of clear coat. Spackle paint, make it what it ain't, right?
Yeah.
Do it yourself. Make your wife happy.
Do it yourself. You always
do it
say
yourself, but you save money, right?
You save money.
With the naked eye coming out there, you can't see it. Okay. Somebody pulling up in the campground. If somebody's pulling up in the campground and They're looking at you, and your truck's sparkling clean, your trailer's sparkling clean, you got your arm out, you're just looking and you're saying, yeah, they're looking at our truck and trailer, right? Don't we have to clean everything before we go to the campground?
No, you have to clean everything.
Oh. And then when you're leaving, you just want to get the hell out quick and get home. Yeah. All right, back for coat 3 after this one. Coat 3, but I'm trying to lighten it up so it's not as thick. So we'll put it on a paper. I did it on the second coat too.
Oh, but you didn't do it on the first
coat. This was a test to make sure it was going to match. This was all test.
And you're sure? How did they know it was your color?
Because it says when you order it, what color is your truck? And I say granite crystal metallic Dodge.
Okay.
That's why.
So this is not supposed to fill the scratch. This is supposed to just cover it.
Because you don't want your scratch, because it gets to metal, to rust. So.
Okay.
So if I knew Inspector 12 was coming to it, I would have just did it. Okay, this is coat 3. Where is it?
You went above it, babe.
I'm going over this whole area.
I don't think you can see.
I got my glasses on. I can see it. You don't even know where it is. You can't even.
Yes, I do. I'm looking at it from an angle. Ooh.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Is it?
Oh my God. Picasso, Rembrandt, Ridgway, all in the same. The top 3. What do they do? Okay, folks, the next step is the clear coat, the infamous clear coat. We're going to wait 15 minutes, but we're going to shake it now because Terry likes seeing this.
No, I don't.
You don't? So,
You're a strange one, Ridgway.
I am a strange one. I'm fine with that. It's okay to be strange. It's okay to be weird. Just own it yourself. Be you. And DIY. Do it yourself. So we're going to come back in 15 minutes once we get done, and we're going to do the clear coat. After 3 rounds of the paint, now we're going to the clear coat. So it says shake vigorously, which we did. And then again, it says 3 to 4 coats of this too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now, if you look at it from this angle, it's not that bad. I don't know what... You can see the dull spot because it doesn't have clear coat on it. Now, this is a different... I think this is... No, this is... Whoa. Clear coat looks almost like the same type of color.
Well, it could just be that the... Uh-oh.
Yeah, waterborne clear coat for this. Oh, sorry. Color coat, sorry. Clear coat. Could have been ugly, couldn't have been ugly. All right, let's see what this looks like. Yep, this is better. Look.
Well, good.
Yeah. All right, let's go back. Minor setback. Minor setback.
All right.
Okay.
Do you have to buff it at all, like when after it dries?
Where do you get your terms from?
Well, isn't that what Back to the Future? Remember Biff had to buff the car?
Biff had to buff. Well, yeah, if he waxed it, he was buffing it.
I want to make sure that we get 2 coats of wax this time, not just 1.
But no, this is what we're doing here.
And you have to do that 3 times?
Yeah, but we're not doing it 3 times. You know I'm impatient. So it looks like it's smoothing in pretty good. It's not, you don't see like the layer.
It's hard because I just see your reflection.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, it doesn't actually, I can't see the scratch, and I guess that's good.
Right. Oh my God, you just admitted that it's good because you said you couldn't see the scratch.
Right now, all I see is like a big smudge. So, hopefully...
That's my life, just a big smudge.
So when it dries, and then maybe you won't be able to see anything. Wouldn't that be nice?
Okay, so we put first coat. I'm only going 2 coats with clear coat.
Okay.
I'm not following the rules because I don't follow the rules. And then after that, we should be good. All right? 15 minutes, we will eat, and we'll come back and put the second coat on. All right? So you can see in East Bumble, it's getting kind of dark here. So we've done 3 coats of the color, 2 coats of the clear coat, and I just want my lovely wife to look at it just to give her opinion on it, because she was critiquing my painting style and how I did the applicator, but it is kind of visible, but it looks pretty damn good, doesn't it?
Yeah, actually I can't see it.
Right. I can see it if you look at a certain angle, of course, but...
I see Johnny.
Yeah, well, Johnny likes to make an appearance everywhere. But...
Oh, okay, I can see it's a little, yeah,
it's just got a little, like a little ridgy to it.
Yeah.
Ridgy way.
Okay.
Yeah. But still, I mean, it's still good.
Yeah.
I think it did a good job. So...
It looks nice.
Because if you're happy, I'm happy. But it's my truck, so I have to be the happy one.
Right.
Right. And I know you like to do things a certain way, and you like it to look good for you, but you know me, I like shortcuts, but again, I'm pretty happy with it, as long as I don't have to see that scratch, you know? Okay, well then, I recommend this stuff, and we're not paid to do this, but I'm just saying, I recommend this stuff for 25 or 30 bucks. You can't help it.
And where did you get it? On Amazon, or?
Yeah. And again, I don't, it was just, we used it before, and it's called a Touch Up Direct. Just use it. Pick your color, the color of your car, or the color of your truck, and fix scratches. Everybody's got scratches. Do as I say, do what I do, and do it yourself. That's probably the best way to do it.
Do as I say, do what you do. What?
And do it yourself.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So let it be written, so let it be done. What's that from?
That is from the 10 Commandments.
Is it 10 Commandments or Moses? Hence the same, but...
It is the same. 10
But wasn't that the
Commandments.
name? Was it Moses was the name of the movie?
No, it was called the 10 Commandments.
Oh, okay. Well, Moses was in it. I
But
was
he's
close.
not the one who said it.
Well, I guess he is the one who said it.
No, he isn't.
Well, God said it?
Huh?
Did God said it?
No.
Well, Moses had to interpret it then.
No, the Yul Brynner
king,
character.
the king from the Egyptian king.
Yes.
So let it be written. Yul Brynner. So let it be written. So let it be done. And he cast Moses out, right?
Correct.
So let it be written. So let it be done.
Sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Okay. All right. Either way, it's getting dark. We did finally eat, thank God, because I get miserable. So, Ridgeway out.